Alrighty, welcome to my channel, SteveO the Window Cleaner. Today we are going to go do some gutters. We're going to clean some windows and some houses, so just gutter and residential jobs. I figured I would take you along today because it is getting to be very, very cold by Friday, so I will not want to record for a while. And we're going to check out the Destroyer water-fed pole a little bit in this video. We'll be doing more videos on that pole as well, and kind of the Xero brands of water-fed poles. The Xero Destroyer is the most rigid water-fed pole of the Xero line, and also the most rigid in the world. But it's a really, really nice pole. We'll get to more of the specifics in another video, but I'll show you that a little bit today with water-fed pole in this house. And yeah, just kind of work through the day. I got a gutter job with the window cleaning job. I don't do gutters a lot, so that's not going to be a real fascinating job. But I'll take you guys along. So let's go. Oh, I think the customer's home. I'm going to use the gutter spoon for gutters. Really nice little feature here. Once again, I don't do gutters a lot, so I'm pretty much just going to clear them, clear out the downspouts. I don't pressure wash out the gutters or anything. Gutters is just not my thing. Sometimes you use a blower, but last time I did that here, it was super wet and just blew shit all over the stucco, and it just didn't look good. So I'm going to get the gutters done, clean some windows that are on the roof around the gutters. There's a gutter that nobody's ever got that I need to get today, that she's pretty worried about. So get the gutters done, get the windows cleaned, and we'll get out of here. Should take around about, I would say, 3 hours. That's what I'm hoping for. 3 hours, and then hopefully be done. But I got this, attach that to the Unger tip. That threads onto the Unger tip. So if you have an Unger pole, that works very, very nice. Small bucket, gloves in my bucket. Let's go clean some gutters. I decided to flush out the gutters because customers are a little bit picky, but as you can see, I don't have the right hose, and I don't have a pressure washer with me. So I'm using our 3/8" inner diameter water-fed pole hose with my 20-foot Xero hose, just to get some of this kind of rinsed out. I don't really worry about all this extra dirt in here. Whenever I've done gutter cleaning, everybody's main concern is just that everything is out. Not that all these sides are clean. I think that's a little much, but if you're a gutter cleaner and that's what you do, I can totally understand. But gutter cleaning for me is not a premium service, or for us. So this is probably the worst hose ever to do this with, but you got to work with what you got for the time being. I know I said I wasn't gonna flush them out, but they were just so dirty. I'm a good person. So yeah, I flushed this out, then I got a gutter over top of there to do, and then I'll do the windows. Oh, I almost broke the gutter spoon. This is pretty much right on the Flatirons of Boulder. It's a beautiful, beautiful view up here. That's the Flatirons right there. Fall is really underway here, so beautiful views as always. That job went pretty well. About $100 an hour-ish on it, so that's good. Up to the next house, I don't think I will film here. If I do, it'll be like outside. Straight up. It's gonna be a pain in the ass. I just know it. But I'll get through it, that's for sure. So, we'll go on to this, film a little bit here and there. Bids to do. Connie. Hello, Connie. Connie, 2536 Briarwood Drive. Connie. You guys ever use a certain voice to remember things? I do. And it's always the Dominator. Connie, I'm coming. Coming to your house to bid your windows.
2563 Briarwood Drive.
Oh, here I come. Here I come. It's gonna snow in 2 days. I love snow. Luke loves snow too. My buddy Luke. We both love the snow. Let's see what happened there. So that lady was actually extremely nice. She was extremely cheerful and joyful. Yes she was. No, it actually worked out great. I cleaned windows for her one time and it kind of straight up was a pain in the butt. But then today she was extremely nice and different. You know, you never know. But it's good to deal with difficult customers. That is the truth of it. To think that you're never going to deal with a difficult customer, usually it just takes like a few.
Turn left onto Craigmore Road.
Usually it just takes a few cleans to win them over, or a couple cleans, and just a fun personality, and then they're usually good. But yeah, that's pretty much the day. I gotta go do a bid, and that's about it. And then I'm out of here, out of Boda. Remember, guys and ladies, you can always order your window cleaning supplies through me. I will be doing a video soon. It may not be the most popular video of just how that works. I get a lot of questions. Hey, how do I buy window cleaning supplies through you? How do I make sure you get credit? I receive a lot of messages sometimes after people buy products and they say, hey, you know what, make sure you get credit for that. And if you buy it through another rep, I can't get credit. I'm not telling you not to buy it through any other rep. All of the reps are awesome. But if you'd like me to get credit and you want to buy through me, feel free to contact me. I'll put my number right here. And coming here up in the winter and from now on, I'm going to be a lot more available for sales, especially like next year and stuff. This year was kind of a toss-up and kind of difficult starting everything. That's why I haven't pushed it too hard or crazy with all that, because I knew I'd be working a good 5 to 6 days a week on the glass and be kind of exhausted, and I wanted to make sure that you guys really get the attention that you need when you're asking for supplies. And I know sometimes I miss a couple things here and there of messages, so I apologize if you message me and sometimes I don't get back. I'm not trying to not answer you. It's just sometimes things get crazy busy, so I'm going to create that time to make it better. You guys want to see a really cool view to end this video? Okay, this is the Flatirons in Boulder, and we'll see you later. Call me. Ain't that a pretty sight? Oh man, I just love Colorado, Boulder, Colorado. It's the best place to live, buddy. That's really the flat iron's like right above there, but not for me. The leaves took over. Okay, y'all.